Challenges facing dApp. While dApp have many advantages, they also face several challenges. Let's take a look at some of them. Scalability is a major challenge facing dApp, as current blockchain technology can only handle a limited number of transactions per second. dApp often have a steep learning curve and can be difficult for non-technical users to navigate. While dApp are more secure than traditional applications, they are not immune to attacks and vulnerabilities. In summary, dApp face several challenges, including scalability, user experience, and security, but these challenges are being addressed by developers in the blockchain community.